I ain't with the bullshit. I ain't finna waste your time. We finna get right into it. And then we got, you know, your tech books and all your information. And, you know, black folk don't read, so hell with that. Now, the whole time, this is why you need to read. The whole time, I'm trying to force this in here. And it's stupid proof. You just pull them apart. I highly recommend these because they're sturdy. I don't really like this coupler, but because I already had two P-Mags, Magpul, blah. Because I already had two mags, and just do one, I actually did two. So I told you I was gonna do the twins. They both are unloaded, but today it's not about that. Today it is about my AR-15. Gang, and we back with another one. Yeah, it's been about 3-4 weeks. I know y'all haven't seen your boy Silk living in a minute. Yes, I grew my hair out. I thought I'd pick it out. I'm growing my beard out, so I'm trying to shape it up, give it a different look. As well as I done grew the fro out. Picked the fro out, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Look gray. But I'm changing my look. People who know me always know I'm known for changing my hairstyle depending on how I'm feeling. Alright, so if you rock with me, rock with the channel, you subscribe to the channel, you know that I do DoorDash, I Grubhub, I'm an entrepreneur, I got a few businesses myself. I'm an entrepreneur, music producer, songwriter, YouTuber. I'm in a lot of different avenues to make money. I always believe in 7 streams of income. So, anyway, one of my biggest videos was the PT-111 or the G2. The Taurus 9mm pistol. I've actually completed my build. This video is not about that, but I'm just going to show you that my build is complete. The gun is empty, and you know, it's empty. So my build is complete. If you want to see more about this gun and everything that's done to it, make sure you subscribe, jump in the comments. Next time we are going to the range to shoot this. And, you know, we're going to see what it is. So if you want to see more about that, make sure you watch the next video because it's dropping right after this one. Oh, and by the way, I didn't just do one. I actually did two. So I told you I was going to do the twins. They both are unloaded. But today it's not about that. Today it is about my AR-15 because that is the new build. That is what I'm currently working on. And I'm not going to waste you guys' time. If I don't have nothing to show you, I'm not going to drop a video. But I've been doing some research on my build. I don't want to just put bullshit on my guns. I actually want to put things that I would normally use in either self-defense situation, a home defense situation, or if I'm just shooting for sport. That's what I'm about. I'm about learning and adding things that I would normally buy. Everything that I have for my firearms, I would normally buy. I am not buying nothing just for the channel. Even though I do builds for the channel, I would still get that and add it to it. Or if I can't put it on one firearm, it can go to the next one. Everything from one Taurus accessory, I can put on the other one. Everything on my AR will go on my future ARs in the future because I plan on buying more. So today I am talking about AR-15 mags because that is what I'm researching right now. What type of AR-15 mag? I actually have a total of 6 magazines. I have the 60 drum, boom. I also have the standard AR-15, 30 round. I have a P mag, which you can see the inside, and that's what it looks like when it's loaded. See the difference? And then I also have a new magazine, which I'm going to introduce today, which is called an ETS AR-15 223-556 30 round magazine. So, before I start, I've noticed people jumped in my comments and they always be like, yo, Silk, how much does it cost? Where did you get it? Well, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you. On YouTube, you can post affiliated links for firearms and accessories. So in the video right now, I'm going to tell you exactly where I got it and how much I paid for it. All right, so if you see me looking down, I got my phone on me just so I can give you the right name. Now, this is the 60 round AR-15, 60 rounds. It's empty. I got this from Magpul. I paid $150 for this. That's when, this is before the pandemic. I don't know what they're going for now or if you can still get one. We also have the standard. When you buy an AR-15, you get one of these. Well, I only got one. They didn't give me two. So I got one mag. This is a P-Mag by Magpul for the 5.56 223, and I'm going to tell you exactly what this costs so you know if you want to get one. It's called M3 Window AR-15 30 round mag. It's on sale for $15.99. Used to be $17.05. It's on sale. Okay, and that's from Magpul. And then I also have this mag, which is my new favorite. This is called the ETS AR-15 223 5.56 30 round magazine. The reason why I like this one because it's see-through, so I can see all my bullets versus this one. I always like to know how much I got. I'm still learning to count my rounds. It's just an easy way for me to turn it sideways to see what I got, know when I'm close to being out. And it also has the numbers on it. I don't know if you can see that. Now I am vlogging with my tablet right now, so you can see it. But anyway, it has 5, 15, 25, and you know the rest. Like I said, this video is about magazines. Now, what do you mean by that, Silk? What do you mean? We know magazines. What do you mean? All right, so what if, and like I said, I've been watching a lot of videos, self-defense situation. What would if I couldn't get a 60 round drum? What if I didn't want to, I want to have more ammunition on me, but I don't have pockets or anything to carry it, and I didn't want to carry this. So, you know, these are your only two options, 30 or 60. No, it's not. What they have from Magpul is called a Maglink coupler. And what that does is, it's a coupler that sits in the middle, kind of like that, and it's supposed to hold two magazines together, kind of like that. And what we're going to do today, we're going to install it. I ain't with the bullshit. I ain't finna waste your time. We finna get right into it. So we got some screws. It's gonna be some screwing going on. And we got the coupler. And then we got, you know, your tech books and all your information. And, you know, black folk don't read, so hell with that. All right. I'm pretty sure this is self-explanatory. Now, you may not have, you may only have these kind of mags. You may only have this kind of mag. Designed for Magpul magazines. But you know, I'm always about trying shit. So, it's nice plastic. And I didn't pay that much for this. I think I paid probably 20 bucks for this. Got this on sale. So, I'm gonna try to slide a magazine in here. And then I guess you just put the screws through it to tighten it out. Now the whole time, this is why you need to read. The whole time I'm trying to force this in here, and it's stupid proof. You just pull them apart. All right, so this took me about 5 or 10 minutes. Now it wasn't really easy, as it's still trying to come apart. I gotta put the screws in here. It wasn't that easy to like really like couple this together. I mean, it's not hard. You pull them apart, decide where you want them, and then press them back together. And then you got these long screws that you just, you know, slide in there, and then you pretty much tighten them down. So I'm just taking a flathead, and now I'm just tightening them. And it says don't over tighten them, because you could break it or damage it. And as I forgot to mention, let me mention, it fits 30, 40 round mags. 2 links, 5.56 times 45 mm, 300 blackout P-Mags, reinforced polymer construction, 2-piece clamp on design, improves reloading speed. So I was just saying to myself, you know, what if I want to carry 2 single mags instead of the big 60 drum, you know? And I'll also show you what this looks like when it's installed. So boom. There you go. Easy install. And like I said, I spent 20 bucks for this. Not bad. I only loaded one just to show you what it looked like. And that's pretty much how it would look. Now, dope. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. It is great. Here. So check this out. This is dope. It did take me some time. I'm going to say about 10-15 minutes to get these to stay put so I can hammer these in there. Can't think of the name. But I do have what you would use, a magazine loader. I do have a magazine loader. Probably figure it out. Well, no. See, look. There you go. So, yeah. I can still load these up even with this. So that's not a problem. But if you don't have one of these, you got to take this apart. It sucks. Now, my stock AR-15. You guys seen it before in previous videos. It is fully unloaded. Next thing I probably will get, besides my sights, which I love my M-Bus sights, an ambidextrous charge handle, because this kind of hurts pulling from one side. So anyway, we're gonna start with the P-Mags first, and I'm gonna do the unloaded side, just so you can get an idea. So that's what it would look like. Just scan back. That's what it would look like. And I think, let's put the sights up. Put the sights up. I think that is gorgeous. You know, it's a cleaner look, man. The weight is good. The weight is wonderful. Like I said, I'm still learning, and I decided to just, my build is changing. The more that I research, my build is changing. You know, you don't always want to do the 60 round, bro. I mean, it's cool. You know, it's a cleaner look, but it's bulky too, and I might not always want to do that. It's still unloaded. I didn't chamber anything. I'm not gonna chamber anything. That's not what we on. I have to mention this because people act like, well, you do have people who do things unsafe. There is nobody around me. I'm in a safe area. I'm in a room all to myself. There's nothing above me. It's one floor. You don't have to panic and all that other stuff. Somebody in the comments was like, you're pointing in an unsafe direction. It's a YouTube video. I mean, obviously, if I'm the one making the video, I'm very aware of my situation and surroundings. But I get it. You want to make sure I'm practicing safe usage, and that's always great. And I appreciate the comments, you know. You can always teach me a thing or two. So like I said, I am working on my builds. I just want to start slow. So I started with my magazines. What kind of magazine would I want to carry? I decided this was an accessory that was a must need, because I'm trying to, with my case, I'm trying to bring things down minimal. I had a mag here, a mag here, a mag here. I'm like, bro, no. I need to just have all my mags together. Everything looks nice and neat. It's getting a little crazy in the case. As well as I'm looking for like a book bag style or something that doesn't say I have an AR-15 when I want to go to the range. So if you guys know anything, you have a bag, some that's not just out crazy, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. As well as, like I said, I will be with the threaded. You know, I have the long one, the long compensator, as well as I have a short one. This is a muzzle brake, but I also have another compensator, and we're going to be shooting that in the next video. This build is complete. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to it. I've done everything that you could possibly do. So I think that's pretty much it, man. So I don't really know much what else I have. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I just took a break, as well as I was ordering a few more things, reaching out to some companies, and just I've been talking a lot to my subscribers. Something hot. I've been talking a lot to my subscribers, man. Just going back and forth with, you know, how to do things and things I want to do. Okay. It's a little hot in the room I'm in. I tried to turn the AC down so it's not so loud and not in the speakers or the over blaring the video. So that's pretty much it, guys. I am now working on the AR-15 for the build. Before you go, I do want to talk about what I plan on adding, and you guys can all jump in the comments and tell me what you recommend. And I know, to the true builders, I'm giving y'all respect, this is not a true build. What I mean by that, I'm not doing the real upper and the real lower. I bought the firearm AR-15 like this. A real build, you go by your upper and your lower and you put it together. gas block and all. That's true, true. No, but I'm a first time builder, so you know that's the way I went. I'm not putting no sights on here, no red dot sights, nothing. I want to learn with iron sights. I want to learn with iron sights. So that's gonna be the last thing I add. Please do not tell me what iron sights. Everybody always throw the red dot, you done. Nah, bro, I want to learn the right way. Okay, but if you want to tell me about an ambidextrous charging handle, if you want to tell me about a grip, you want to tell me about a trigger, anything that you want to add on here, or you think I should add on here, I'm not going to make this a short barrel rifle SBR. No, that's when it's shorter. No, it's going to be 16 or longer. I've decided for my first AR, that is the route I'm going. I'm not trying to go blackout. I ain't trying to go, like I said, AR pistol, none of that. I'm even willing to change the stock. I've been looking at stocks too. I don't like this. It's cheap. It's plastic, and it doesn't feel as comfortable. And I'm willing to change out my grips. So I appreciate everybody. Sorry, like I said, sorry I've been gone for a while. You know, sometimes you gotta take a break as a content creator. Another one, I'm sorry for the video being so long. I just miss you guys. Want you to know what's been going on, where I've been, where I'm currently at, and where I plan to go. So if you have any insights on the AR-15 and how we should make that build tactical and safe and home defense wise, please let me know. Far as the PTs, we will be going to the range to finally test those out, to finally shoot them and see if there's any changes. All right, guys, take care of yourself. Like I always tell you, wear a mask and just be safe, man. And you know, just love one another and your neighbor. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.